thing. There's no such thing, there's no temptation.
Channel, as you can tell from the title, we're doing a story time on when I got robbed. And the one like is a bad girl. So let's get right into the video. So I was reading in grade 9, and my auntie, she ever keep this party. She ever keep party around her in some of them. So me decide, I asked my dad if I can go and stay, yes. So anyways, my dad left out for early in about me being me, walk up and down in our house, but those are the things where we're beginning to like get my stuff them ready. So anyways, but they warm. When we finally get ready now for go bed or something, the time get late. So me go look bus now for go Walaba. So when we reach up on my auntie, by the time we reach the time, get late, the place is dark out. So anyways, now we take taxi, we go push for me, I go. Then we come off of the taxi, which we start, we come off and me a walk. So same time, it's a two boy we know, and then they same school. So we stand up and talk with them now. So I stand up and talk to them. We must stand up hours and talk with them. Then say, alright then, we could follow you up with your auntie. So they will follow me, bear in mind, two boys, one of them have a baby. So they will follow me go up on my auntie. We stop again in the dark, you know. Stand up and talk and laugh. But there's a two boys and run out with two guns and run me up. And one of them set my phone, bear in mind, you know, the phone that me have is not a proper power phone, because me never have a good phone. It's the first good phone I have, and right now, you get oriented. The phone tie up with last kit, you know them a long time. Alcatel the way it tough one of that me did have. And that are one Huawei, one of them I don't remember. I think a pink back Huawei of my Alcatel. Anyways, the phone sometimes you have to beat the phone, make the touch work, the touch don't work sometime. So anyways now, the boy don't show. They give them what happened. They rob my friend and 7th grade they robbed him. 50 that the boy did have. And I robbed the boy 50 Jamaican. Tell me for the hungry boy. So anyways now, me, the bad girl that I am, boy I try to rob me my money, but what's a good thing, you know, you just put them at the part where you put the pen to them, you know, invest some stuff down there, money, you know. I mean, start I should sing this time, but you know, bad girl, I see that, yeah, bad girl, but she a fight man with gun. The boy just go to, you're not bad girl, and kick girl for that, you know, so girl drop a ground, and bad girl, still gotta get up and try to fight the boy, you know. I'm friend them must say easy, they must say they have a gun, remember, and it's a bad girl. You see like them below a bulletproof vest or something. So anyways now, the boy them run going to bush and boy, I reach up and tell my auntie call police. Phone I don't know guys, we don't know. So anyways now, police they ask me my name, and they ask me if I know how the boy them look. Bear in mind the place was dark, how to see how the boy them look. Tell me, you know, but anyway, they asked me to leave and all of that. Anyways, and then after that night, we did sleep after that, you know, I look up this stuff with So anyways, because they start troubling me, everybody because of the bandage, what time, and they didn't say I don't have no phone and ready. Girl did feel away. Me did very upset. You know, girl big say this stuff one get good. But anyways, this is the end of the video. Hope you like the video. Like, share, comment, tell a friend, tell a friend, and tell me, let me know what kind of videos you guys want from me. Peace.